everybody, Master G here with Mr. Durantis. Let's work on learning our outside to inside crescent kick, or Pakiso, Anuro, Chaki.
Pakiso, Anuro, Chagi, sir.
One more time, Pakiso,
Pakiso,
Anuro,
Anuro,
Chaki.
Chaki.
Good. Our outside to inside crescent kick is the twin sister of our inside to outside crescent kick. It's going to start much the same way, and it is striking only to the shoulders and head. But as the knee comes up, it's staying to the outside of the body. Notice how his hips are opening outside to the 45, and now he's going to put, with the big toe side of his foot, he's going to fan out and stop, and put it right back. Ready? Height! Height! Notice how the toes are up, not sideways. Height! Height! Good. Opposite foot. Ready? Height! 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 Good. Now on a target. Height! 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 Good. And that is our outside to inside crescent kick, or Pakiso, Anuro, Chagi. Practice what you learned, make it rock.